Hotel's not really that impressive. Maybe that could be because I'm spoiled, but it's Friday night, about 8:05. All right, 8:07. Who's counting? Day before the Minefield FPV event. It was a really long drive, 11 hours to get up here, but I'm pretty excited to fly. I ended up bringing 6 quads plus the Evo 2 Pro, which I don't think Ken has ever seen an Autel Evo at all. So I think it'd be pretty cool. I brought my whole family with me up here just because this is the first time I've traveled since COVID started, which it's pretty important to get out of the house. So I'm pretty excited about tomorrow. I'm gonna get some sleep. Didn't get a chance to fly at all today because it's been raining. So hopefully tomorrow we get no rain and it's a good turnout. Alrighty, I'm gonna turn in. I'll catch you guys tomorrow. So this is Minefield. It's a all metal creation made by a guy named Billy Tripp, and holy shit, it's a lot of fun to fly. So I flew one pack through here, didn't break anything, which is surprising because there's a lot of cables, but there's a lot of people here, a lot of drones, so we're gonna have to be really careful. Also, it's gonna suck really, really bad if you have to go in here to retrieve anything. There's also water. There's like a little moat. So if you crash in the moat, you're also screwed because now your drone don't work. Alrighty, let's see what else we got going on here.
Unless you get to concrete.
Yeah. Hey everybody, we're about to walk through. I'm going to take everybody through. If you want to see what the sculpture looks like from below, from underneath, just meet me over on the boat.
And I brought my nectarines.
The gorge.
I'm gorgeous.
I'm assuming this is not OSHA compliant. Oh yeah, no, it's just a helpful hand across the gorge.
How's it going? Hey.
Spare parts.
Only the safest. All right.
I'll touch everybody. It doesn't matter.
Why does it smell like dog? It smells like dog a little bit. Oh no, this is safe. It's a gorge. Smells lovely. Ground's a little soft. Oh my gosh, no, it's very sticky. I'll have to clean my feet before I get back in the car. Look at this.
Especially prepared that for tours. So if you have a chance. While I have everybody's attention, thank you for coming. Thank you very much. This means a great deal to me. You can't see it, but I am smiling. Thank you. And I've set up a GoFundMe page for Billy Tripp, the guy, the creator, the artist. This is called Minefield. He's been working on it since 1989. He's 65. He's in better shape than me. He climbs this stuff every day. Built this by himself. Not a lot of help at all. And it's a memorial to his parents who passed away. And this is his way of memorializing / grieving for them. And, little fun fact, when he has an arrangement, when he dies, one day he's going to be buried right over there, right on the property. It's approved with Brownsville, so there you go. He puts his heart and soul into this. So if you have a chance, check out the GoFundMe page, which is linked in the Minefield information page that you guys know about on my website. Again, I don't know how much water towers cost, but anything that you can do to help them would be greatly appreciated. Would you guys want to do this again next year?
Is that a question?
Yeah, it's a question.
Yes.
Yes? Okay, all right. Everybody having fun so far?
Oh yeah.
All right, let's go get some tetanus.
Oh, look at that. I can tell you're the kind of guy that keeps your shoes clean, right?
Yeah, I do. Especially when I'm not in town. It's like, where are you going to go buy a set of shoes? You go to Walmart?
Yeah, you just need the old washcloth in the hotel. Zip, 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 zip. My son actually has a tennis shoe.
It was a morning in June when I heard that tune falling up to the beat of your heart. Like a white rain sails from a startled trail, our eyes met and then landed so well. Before you could speak, before you could weep, I held your hand in mine. Like a shell on a beach, waiting for your reach, falling up to the mountain to climb. You came reassuring, Mother Nature's procuring, there's no need for doubt in his mind. You came reassuring, Mother Nature's procuring, there's no need for doubt in his mind. And our eyes align like the sun through the pines in a silent space, in a cup full of time. In these orderly ways, in this disorderly life, I let go of my hand in the jar. For the great moon in the middle of June, falling up to the pole of the tide. Though I've seen it before, nothing I've ever been told can touch this feeling inside. You came reassuring, Mother Nature's procuring, there's no need for doubt in his mind. You came reassuring, Mother Nature's procuring, there's no need for doubt in his mind. And our eyes align like the sun through the pines, in a silent space, in a cup full of time. In these orderly ways, in this disorderly life, I let go of my hand in the jar. And our eyes align like the sun through the pines, in a silent space, in a cup full of time. In these orderly ways, in this disorderly life, I let go of my hand in the jar. I let go of my hand in the jar. I let go of my hand in the jar.
All right, so this has actually been a lot of fun. Flew a couple packs with Kelly.
Yes,
And
that was awesome.
Kelly knocked me out of the air,
Yes, I think
but
so.
we did good. We actually flew for a while and didn't knock either one of us out of the air. We got some cool chase footage, I think.
Absolutely.
And that's the Gep RC rocket. It's
Yep,
rocking-
Yep, RC Rocket. Love this little guy.
It's got a full-size air unit. It can rock 3S or 4S. I got 4S batteries. You got 4S batteries for
Yeah,
that?
I've got both.
Okay. So a lot of good flight time. So far, nobody has broken anything yet. But then again, I haven't really been over this way a lot to really know. Yeah, this is a good time. I'm also really, really shitty with vlogging. You guys already know that. I'm not a vlogger. I suck with this shit. But man, this thing is so freaking cool to fly. But there's like literally there's a cemetery. Well, there's a cemetery behind me. I flew through that. I don't know what the rules are of flying through a cemetery. I'm assuming nobody in there would, really have a problem with it. I mean, so yeah. I mean, it worked, and it was a lot of fun. So, all right, let me get back to flying a couple more packs. All right, so for all you guys that think you're too old to fly FPV, my dude over here has been ripping.
You got watermelon prod.
Yeah, man.
Scully's been ripping. He got the drone lost in here earlier. I told you there was a moat through here. Well, if you go down in here, you're probably not going to get your drone back. He almost came close to certain disaster. You know how you get yourself an Ender 3? It's so funny, people get like so pissed with him because his attitude is the same as mine. And people are like, how the fuck do you two run a business like that? I'm like, pretty effectively. We just don't give a shit.
He's a good dude.
He's a great dude.
I mean, I bought another Phantom until my other one gets in, but you know.
I think I need a new.
Roosevelt, you hit record?
Yeah.
All right.
I think I need a new
Where you wanna go?
speed control modular in mine.
Yeah, you have any? Do you have any sort of moral compass about that? I don't know how. I don't really think there's like anything wrong flying through a cemetery as long as we're being respectful.
How far are you guys going over there?
Well, as long as we don't mess with their.
Yeah. Well, you know what I'm doing.
Don't crash into a tombstone, please.
All right. Well, that's what I'm saying. Is I'm not trying to be like that guy.
I'm not going to bust it great.
Yeah, I switched back over to 25 megabits. Let me just see what channel I'm on. Because Kelly knocked me out of the air before. Did I not plug in? Hang on, let me plug in here. Yeah, I'm not plugged in. Okay. Alright. Let me make sure I'm plugged in. Alright, now I'm good. Ready? Wait, hang on, stop. Why's my transmission? There it goes. Alright.
They're armed, they're ready.
Alright, go ahead. Oh, that was awesome. Not the best landing on that last pull, but this is fun.
You guys are ripping it.
Yeah, we were going pretty hard. I had a great loop through that freaking cemetery.
I couldn't see anything over there, but
oh man, it was
I
good.
could hear it.
This is probably the most fun I've had flying in forever, because when you're flying like tandem, like with Sully, man, it's like you can sit there and talk, and it's different than analog. Like DJI FPV makes this way more enjoyable. So had a great time yesterday at the event at Minefield. It was really fun, way more fun than I had expected it to be. And the best part was I didn't break any drones yesterday, which is really, really shocking because that place was a hazard in itself. So today we are hiking, or attempting to hike anyways. Really beautiful park. It's Cloud Canyon Falls in Georgia, just a stop before we head back to Florida. Trying to find somewhere to fly. I don't know if you can fly a drone here. I didn't even look at the rules, but I'm pretty sure Georgia state parks don't allow you to fly drones. So, but if I get further enough into the trail, maybe I can. I don't know. Who knows? We'll see what happens.